We're briefing an operation plan.
That's fine.
It's for officer safety.
Officer safety or public safety?
Officer safety.
Okay, yeah.
Over there.
I'm right here. I'm not interfering at all. I'm not interfering at all.
Hello, good people, and welcome back to Audit the Law. Today's video is coming to you from the channel Midwest Accountability. Be sure to head on over and give him credit for this video. Now, this police interaction took place a couple days ago in Bakersfield, California. It involved the always corrupt Bakersfield Police Department. Midwest had gone out to record some police on this night and hopefully hold some public servants accountable. What he didn't account for is the aggressive behavior displayed by the Bakersfield officers. So, without taking up any more of your time, let's jump into the video, folks.
Car 5032.
Hold on. Hey, can you do me a favor? You're free to record. Just stand over there.
Why?
So we're conducting an investigation right here.
You're fine. I'm 20 foot away, man.
Fine. We're briefing an operation plan.
That's fine.
It's for officer safety.
Officer safety or public safety?
Officer safety.
Okay, yeah.
Stand over there.
I'm right here. I'm not interfering at all.
Over there.
I'm not interfering at all.
I am telling you to stand over there.
You are interfering.
Now you are interfering.
Interference is a physical act.
Now you are interfering.
A lawful order?
Yes.
What's the law that backs that up?
Right now you're interfering.
What's the distance on recording in public?
148. We're recording.
148?
All right, folks, before we move on, I have to remind everyone watching. Recording police in the course of their duty is a First Amendment protected activity under the Constitution of the United States. Also, there is no set distance from where you have to record police while in public. If cops need space to conduct an investigation, then their policy is to put up tape to cordon off the area. Now to address what this officer just said. He said that Midwest Accountability was in violation of Penal Code 148, A1, which makes it a crime willfully to resist, delay, or obstruct peace officers or EMTs who are performing their official duties. However, in that same Penal Code 148, there is subsection G. That states, photographing or recording law enforcement does not constitute resisting or obstructing a police officer as long as the officer is in a public place, or the person with the camera has the right to be there. So, is actuality there was no law broken or violated, and the lawful order has no bearing, if there's not a law to back it up. Therefore, what happens next is unlawful.
I'll hang on to this.
Hey, sir. You got handcuffs?
Yep, I got it.
Can you get my stuff to him over there, please?
No, you're under arrest.
These officers arrested Midwest Accountability, all because he didn't comply with their unlawful demands. At no point did this cop watcher raise his voice, become defiant, or caused a disturbance. In fact, he was professional, cordial, and even when he challenged the officers' unlawful demands, his demeanor was calm. Yet the officers arrested him, as if he was a criminal that was committing a crime. This is the problem with the police here in America, folks. Rather than do the right thing and leave this man alone, they decided to enforce feelings and arrest this man for exercising his rights. Last time I checked, that sounds like deprivation of rights under the color of law. With that being said, none of us here at Audit the Law are lawyers or legal advisors. We simply state our opinion, and nothing we say should be taken as legal advice. Make sure you all visit Midwest Accountability's channel, subscribe, and I will see you all in his comments. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching.